What up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to Digital Slang. Today we're talking the Mavic Air. This is going to be a quick video. I just want to share my love for this thing. I just picked it up used last week. It's been around for a while now, but I'm telling you guys, if you're thinking about getting a drone, if you're on the fence about spending the money, go pick this up. Go pick up the Mavic Pro, the Mavic Pro 2, even the Spark. These things are a blast. I had a great weekend, and I can't wait for this weekend to get here so I can fly it again. I'm going to share some of the video that I took with it. The video is not great, it's not cinematic, it's not movie quality, it's nothing special. I'm just sharing it so you can see the quality of the video. It is 4K. We'll go over the drone really quick. I'm going to be really fast because there's tons of videos on YouTube already about this because it's been out for so long. I'm just here sharing something that I love, a piece of technology that is just a lot of fun. So go pick one up. So the Mavic Air, it's a mid-tier drone from DJI. Your propellers, mine are a little banged up. I did hit the ceiling when I brought it home. I tried to fly it inside without reading directions or knowing what the hell I was doing. And I paid the price. Well, this thing paid the price. But so your intelligent battery is on the back. This is your on and off button. You push it in once and then you hold it down and your drone will turn on. I'll just show you real quick. So the drone is on and then you connect that to it, your remote. Your phone goes in here, you pull up the app. It's got a connector right here for an iPhone, but it does have other connectors as well if you have an Android phone. So there are plenty of ways you can use it. I believe this also fits an iPad mini. So if you want a little bigger screen, that'll work. These come off and they actually have a slot inside here where you can place them when you're traveling. But that's pretty much it for the remote. There are some buttons on there. Again, check out other videos on YouTube. They can tell you all about those. But on the back of the drone, so this is your battery. This removes here. You get about 20 hours of flight time with a full charge on one of these batteries. In here, this is a protective case for your camera and your gimbal. It's a 3-axis gimbal, so you get amazing shots, amazing quality, amazing video. And I'm gonna post some videos so you guys can check it out. It's not great, it's not movie quality, it's nothing fantastic. I'm just showing you the video because I fell in love with this thing. I want you guys to see the quality. And if you're, unsure about getting one, this might change your mind. Go pick one up. It's a lot of fun. So it does have sensors all around the drone where it will detect an obstacle if you are around or if it's going to hit something. It will stop the drone. It has worked for me already, but I don't know if it's 100% foolproof, but it works pretty well. So these right here fold in and out. When you are flying, you want these out like they are now. Not only will they provide a landing gear, but they also are the antenna. They will get the GPS signal from your remote. The back side here just pops out. This is where you will put your storage, your memory card, and it does take a micro SD just like you would on an Android phone if it supports that. And that's about it, guys. I mean, like I said, a really short video. I just want to share my experience with this. It's been out for a while, but I love it. I'm really glad that I picked it up, and you will be too. So you won't be disappointed. Go pick one up. Here's some of the video, guys. Check it out. Let me know what you think. Let me know what you think of the quality, but I think it's fantastic. So let me know. right, guys, thanks for watching. Let me know what you guys think of the quality of the video. If you've been on the fence and you've thought about buying a DJI drone or any drone, let me know. And maybe this will change your mind. I hope it does, because they're a lot of fun. So go pick one up if you can, if you want to. If you want to have some fun, go get one. Guys, hit that like button, subscribe. We got some videos coming on Friday. We're going to do an unboxing of the new iPhone 11 Pro Max. And we'll do some comparisons against the Note 10 and the Note 10 Plus. And we're just going to have some fun here on the channel coming up. Vic's got some music videos coming up, so you'll be seeing him soon. But let me know what you guys think of the drone and the quality of the video. That's it, guys. Have a good night. Stay safe, and we'll talk soon. Peace.